Imagine this: beautiful white sand beaches, bright blue water, a soft breeze blowing through the palm trees. This is the Jamaica you see on postcards, a tropical dream that people all over the world want to visit. But there's a secret Jamaica, a hidden side you don't see in the pictures of sunny beaches and fancy hotels. It's a Jamaica full of wild beauty, exciting culture, and real, unspoiled adventures. Beaches are great, don't get me wrong, they're amazing. But they're just a small part of what this island has to offer. Go beyond the hotels, off the usual tourist trails, and you'll find a Jamaica that most people never get to see. This is where the real fun starts. This is where you find the true spirit of Jamaica. It's time to trade the usual for something amazing. Leave the big crowds and explore something new. Are you ready? Past the flat coastal areas, Jamaica's middle rises up in a wave of bright green. Tall mountains touch the sky, waterfalls rush down steep cliffs, their sound like a powerful song echoing through the rainforest. This is the green heart of Jamaica, a world away from the beaches and hotels. Here, time feels slower. The air is full of the smell of wet earth and sweet flowers. The only sounds are bugs chirping and leaves rustling as hidden animals move through the plants. This is where Jamaica's true self lives, in the untouched beauty of nature. It's a place to get back in touch with nature, to take a deep breath and feel the earth under your feet. This is where you'll find adventure, peace, and a sense of wonder that will stick with you long after you leave. Jamaica's interior is a giant playground for people who love nature. Hike through thick rainforests filled with the sounds of colorful birds, cool off in a clear waterfall, the water pouring over you like a natural shower. See if you can climb to the top of Blue Mountain, the island's tallest peak, and you'll be amazed by the incredible views that go on forever. These landscapes are bursting with wild, untamed beauty. Everywhere you look, there's something new and amazing to see. It's an experience that will take your breath away, for real. A biodiversity hotspot, where life finds its groove. Jamaica is like a treasure chest of different plants and animals, many of which you won't find anywhere else in the world. Tiny hummingbirds with their shiny feathers zoom through the rainforest. Iguanas lie in the sun, looking like they came from a long, long time ago. Colorful flowers fill the air with their sweet smells. All these living things show how special Jamaica's environment is. It reminds us that we're just visiting this amazing natural place, and we need to take care of it for the future. Adventure is calling. Thrills in Jamaica's wild embrace. If you love excitement, Jamaica is the perfect place for you. Fly through the rainforest on a zip line, the wind in your face as you zoom through the trees. Explore the inside of a limestone cave, decorated with stalactites and stalagmites that took thousands of years to form. Go whitewater rafting down the Rio Grande, bouncing over rapids and enjoying the views as you float through the middle of the island. These adventures aren't for scaredy cats, but they're an amazing way to see Jamaica's wild side. They'll challenge you, push you to try new things, and make you feel strong and excited. The rhythm of a nation, music, cuisine, and the art of living. Jamaica's culture is as colorful and exciting as its landscapes. Music is everywhere, from the catchy beats of reggae to the smooth sounds of ska and dancehall. Food is a party for your taste buds, a mix of flavors that shows the island's history and culture. And then there's the art, full of bright colors and interesting textures that capture Jamaica's spirit. Experiencing Jamaican culture means listening to its music, tasting its food, and looking at its art. It's about talking to the people, hearing their stories, and understanding what makes this island so special. Yes, people, we are exploring the cool secrets of Jamaica, so let's keep the adventure going. Have you heard of the Blue Hole? It's like a magical pool made of rock, with water so clear you won't believe it. And then there are the Maroon Villages, where people whose families escaped slavery a long, long time ago still live and share their amazing history. These places show you the real heart of Jamaica, far away from the usual tourist spots. You can explore the super green cockpit country, a place with hills and valleys unlike anywhere else, or check out the awesome street art in Kingston. There's always something exciting to see and do, so get your backpacks ready and let's go on a trip that's extra special. Jamaica is ready for you.